What's up and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your ugly clothes cute and trendy. So personally, I have so many clothes in my cupboard that I just don't really wear anymore. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to change all those clothes from clothes you're never really going to wear into clothes you can literally wear everywhere and you just feel comfortable in and love. To start off with, the first thing I'm transforming are these shorts. Now these are pretty cute. I don't really know why I don't really wear them. They're just, I feel like, very basic, and I wanted something a bit more out there. I thought these would be really nice to DIY. And so I'm thinking probably gonna like some embroidery kind of thing around the waistband, which I think would look so cute and boho. Okay guys, so for this, I'm taking some of this really cute little like blue thread ribbon kind of stuff that I just picked up at my local like sewing shop, and then I'm going to wrap it around the waist to kind of make a belt, and I'm using a ruler just to mark out where I want to wrap it around. This is totally optional, but I just marked it out with a like black pen just to make sure I'm keeping it in a straight line. Once you guys have done that, you guys can then line down your thread where you think you're going to place it. And yeah, that's pretty much what you guys want to do. And then take a needle and some thread. And I'm using white thread, so make sure that your thread just like blends in with the color of the ribbony thread. This is making no sense, but make sure that the white sewing thread is a similarish color to the ribbon you're sewing onto the shorts, and then push the needle in one end and up the other, going through the ribbon and the short, and then just going like a zigzag kind of pattern like so, and just keep going around the entire waistband. Guys, this is how it looks so far. Honestly, loving it. I think it looks so cute. I'm gonna keep going, but that's what we're doing so far. Guys, here's the finished shorts. So this is the side. I think it's so cute, and then the back and stuff. I think it just made the shorts that much cuter, and it was so easy to do. So something I really love, but is just not something I wear ever, is this dress. Honestly, I love this dress. It is so cute. Like, that's the pattern at the top. It is so nice. It's such a nice material. That's the back. But I just never, ever really get to wear it. I'm just going to kind of cut off and make a really nice little cropped t-shirt. So just lay down your dress and make sure it's all smoothed out. And then I'm putting down a ruler and I'm going to go ahead and cut straight across, leaving a little bit extra, which is what I always recommend when you guys are doing DIYs. This way you can always go in and cut out like more if you need and you want it shorter. But I'm leaving this extra bit at the bottom and cutting a bit more than I'd actually want. And that way there's always a little bit extra. Then that's the finished shirt. Guys, this is a finished t-shirt. I love it so much. This little bit is so nice how it like flips up, and I think it's so cute. It was also super easy. All I had to do was cut, and I definitely recommend you guys do this with all your old like dresses, and it's perfect for summer and spring. So these shorts kind of got broken a little while ago, and they just I got bored and started like pulling at these things at the bottom. And so I've actually been wanting to do a DIY with these for a really long time, and I'm going to be distressing these into like really nice distressed denim shorts. So I'm going to start distressing these. As you can tell, they've already kind of been ripped and broken, so I think this will make them even cuter. So these are so loose, so I'm just going to start by like ripping at a few of them by pulling my nails and just kind of going like that. I'm going to go in and I'm going to try just like ripping the actual bit of the shorts and the denim. I've already kind of started on the pocket here, as you can tell. So I'm going to try and do another one of those little rips. For this, I'm taking some scissors and I'm being extremely careful. Make sure you get like a parent to help you. And I'm just making sure I don't go through to this fabric. I'm just ripping, putting the blade through there, slicing through. And as you can tell, I've got that little hole now. And what I'm going to do is take some tweezers and kind of just slowly just pull at threads to make them, you know, look more ripped. I feel like this is making no sense, which it's not, but if it is, yeah, just kind of destroy them. Okay, now I'm actually cutting through. Pretty much, I'm just cutting it so it's kind of like a little hole thing. I'm gonna go in with the front and try and do some more there. This is honestly so much harder than I thought it would be, but let's just keep trying. Guys, my plan is to do like a little sunflower kind of thing coming out of there. I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna use this brown, I think, for like the sunflower bit. And then I'm gonna go and use these two to try and do like a flower. I don't know, let's try. Literally all that happened from there. Okay guys, I just added on some yellow paint, but if you guys can't already tell, this like whole painting DIY, these shorts just failed miserably. Yeah, so the shorts absolutely failed. As you can tell, I ended up painting on them just because I was so desperate to do something with them because they were so horrible. My painting went so horribly, I kind of ran out of time, so I just like blobbed it on. Here are the finished shorts, guys. Honestly, hate the front rips, but these little rips around the corners I'm kind of okay about. I don't really know. It's kind of weird, especially since they're so girly and now they've been ripped. I don't know, but yeah. And then the pockets, of course, this pocket I definitely gave up on, and it's very obvious. I don't really like it that much at all. I think I might go over the flowers, but yeah, definitely a failure, that pocket. Whereas this pocket though on the other side, I actually really like. I think the rips is just enough, and the sunflower gives me really cute spring vibes. This next top is super basic shirt with a ripped raw, like the raw edge. But I'm thinking I might try and like spice it up a bit and somehow put like a little patch or something or embroidery somewhere on this just to make it a bit cuter. But yeah, I'll see. So for this next one, you actually have to iron it on. So I'm taking my shirt and then this iron-on patch and I'm putting it in the middle. Make sure it is center and then smooth out all the area around it. Once the patch is where you want it, put down some baking paper and slowly put down your iron, making sure not to move the patch. And your patch won't be moving anywhere. There it is. As you can tell, it's connected onto the shirt. This is the finished shirt. I love this so much. I think this detail makes the shirt pop so much and just makes this shirt really cute and trendy, and I actually love it. And it went from being such a basic, boring black t-shirt to this, and I love it so much. This would definitely be a 10 out of 10. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I loved making these DIYs. I think they're all so cute. They turned out amazing, although to be honest, the shorts I tried to rip and paint, probably not my favorite, but I probably would have thrown them out anyway, so at least I tried. And yeah, make sure you go subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and definitely try these out yourself. Toodles!